A very good morning, students. Today we are going to learn exercise 13.5, ninth question. So the question is, a river 3 meter deep and 40 meter wide is flowing at the rate of 2 km per hour. How much water will be flown into the sea in a minute? Okay. So given, let us see the word solution. Given height of river, that is depth is nothing but height. So height of river 3 meter and width of river is 40 meter and speed of river kilometer, which is nothing but 2000 meter. So volume of water flowing into sea in 1 hour. Why? Because it is clearly given that kilometer per hour. So we are calculating for 1 hour how much. So it will be LBH, that is 3 into 40 into 2000. Okay, this will be the volume. Now he is asking for 1 minute how much volume will be flown. So volume of water flown into sea in 1 minute, that is 3 into 40 into 2000 divided by 60. That is 4000 meter cube. So this is the amount of water which is going to flow in 1 minute into the sea. Okay, the next question is example 13. So the question is, the pillars of a temple are cylindrically shaped. If each pillar has a circular base of radius and height, how much concrete mixture will be required to build the 14 such pillars? So here we are going to build the pillars, means we need to find out the volume of the pillar. So since the pillar is in the shape of the cylinder, we need to find the volume of the cylinder by taking pi value as 22/7. So let us start the word solution. Given radius of cylinder which is 20 centimeter, height of cylinder meters, so let us convert this into meters. So 10 into 100, which is nothing but 1000 centimeter. So volume of pillar. Since the pillar is in cylindrical shape, we need to use the cylinder formula, pi r square h, that is 22/7 into 20 into 20 into 1000. So let it be as it is. So this is the volume of one pillar. We need to find out the we are going to take 14 such pillars. So volume of 14 pillars which is 22/7 into 20 into 20 into 1000 into 14. So 7 1s, 7 2s. So the left answer is 20 into 20 will be 400. 3 zeros. So 22 into 44. So So 17630 centimeter square. Sorry, centimeter cube. So we need to divide this by 10,000. One meter cube is equals to 100 into 100 into 100 centimeter cube. So let me divide with that value 17650 divided by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 5 zeros gets cancelled. So it will be 17.6 meter cube. We can convert that into previously also, but I have converted in centimeters. Thereafter I have converted into meters. So this will be our answer. Okay. Next question, example 14. So the question is, at Ramjan Mela, a stall keeper in one of the food stall has a large cylindrical. So there is one cylindrical vessel which is large and which is having a radius of 15 centimeter, 15 here, and height of 32. So the height is 32 centimeter. So this, it is filled with orange juice. So in this there is orange juice. So this juice we need to empty it, fill it in the small cylindrical vessels. So we don't know how many cylindrical vessels are there, but we are going to fill it in the small cylindrical vessels, which are of the dimensions of radius 3 centimeter and height 8 centimeter. So radius is 3, height is 8, and we are selling this each small cylindrical vessel for rupees 3. The juice, whatever the orange juice that we are filling into this cylindrical vessel, we are selling for 3 rupees each. So how much money this stall keeper is going to receive? In order to get, okay, we will keep this money aside first. First of all, we need to know how many cylindrical vessels we are going to fill first. So in order to get that, we need to divide volume of the big cylinder by volume of the one cylinder. So we'll get how many cylinders we can fill. The small cylinders, whatever the cylinders we have. So let us see the word solution. So given radius of large cylinder, so which is 15 centimeter, and height of large cylinder which is 32 centimeter. So volume of large cylinder that is pi r square h. So it will be 22 by 7 into 15 into 15 into 32. Next, radius of small cylinder (3 centimeter), height of cylinder which is small 8 centimeter. So volume of small cylinder which is pi r square h, since it is in cylindrical in shape. So 22 by 7, 3 into 3 into 8. So we are going to sell. First of all, let us find out how many glasses we are going to make. Therefore, number of glasses filled is equals to volume of large cylinder by volume of small cylinder. here we have volume of the last cylinder as 22 by 7 into 15 into 15 into 32 by 22 by 7 into 3 into 3 into 8. So further simplification, these two gets cancelled. 5 times, 5 times, and here 4 times. So 25 4s 100. So we are going to fill 100 glasses. So each glass we are going to sell for 3 rupees each. For one glass, cost is rupees 3. For one glass we are going to charge rupees 3. Therefore total amount received is 100 into 3. Since we are filling in 100 small cylindrical ships, so he will gain 300 rupees. Next, we are going to see exercise 13.6 first question. So the question is, the circumference of the base of a cylinder vessel is 132 centimeter and height is 25 centimeter. So how many liters of water it can hold? So how many liters of water it can hold, in the sense we need to find out the volume. Volume of what shape means cylindrical shape. So let us see the word solution for this. So given circumference of base is 132 centimeter. So that is 2 pi r, since base is in the circle shape. So 132. So 2 into 22 by 7 into r is equals to 132. So radius will be 132 into 7 by 22 into 1 by 2. So 2 11s, 2 6. So radius is 21 centimeter. And height of the cylinder 25 centimeter. So we need to find out the volume of the cylinder. So volume of the cylinder is equals to pi r square h, that is 22 by 7 into r square, which is 21 into 21 into 25. So it is 3 times. 66 into 25 ones 25, 52. So 525 into 66. So the answer is 34650 centimeter cube. So we want in liters, so we have to divide by 1000. So 34650 divided by 1000 liters. So it will be 34.650 liters.